Peace and love. Greetings again, everyone. This is Kojak from Kojak Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Today I'm taking you to a secret gem waterfall in Jamaica. The world have never seen it. It's very secretive. I do not want to disclose the location. Welcome to my channel. I appreciate if you could subscribe on this video and share the video. Tell your friends and family about my channel. The secret place must not be revealed to the world. We do not want this waterfall to be disturbed and polluted. It's a secret, so I cannot disclose the location in Jamaica.
Country lifestyle. Country life is so nice. Yeah. What a crisis we're living in. Things tough, but we're still not giving in.
Remember to subscribe and share this video on every platform. Hopefully this video will hit the 1 million mark or more than 1 million views. So just take a good look now at this natural gem of fans.